go into the next unit soon. What is taking Kenneth so long in the washroom? I'm gonna go check on him. You guys behave. What is taking Kenneth so dang long? Oh no! I need to get some help!
Nathan.
What do you want?
I forgot to do my homework last night. Can I borrow some of yours?
Fine, just hurry up. Guys, where do you think Kenneth went? Because I bet he's not been in there for an hour.
He's probably in the library.
Or he's talking to someone in the gym.
He's probably dead. I'm just kidding, jeez.
Guys, Mr. Jocelyn has been gone for a while.
That's too bad.
Hello.
No, Mr. Gozo! No!
Guys, head quickly!
Hunter, don't peek your head out. He might see you.
Oh no, it's milk!
Mr. D, what's been happening? I'm not too sure, but the Scooter monster has been going around, and everyone who looks at it dies.
That would explain why Hunter died when he peeked his head out.
So if we find something that can cover our eyes, we should be fine.
We could use these.
Yes, bandanas would be great.
Guys, I don't think we should use these.
What do you mean?
Well, if we walk out like this, how are we going to know where to go or where the exit is?
Then you can stay here while we leave.
Take one, take one.
Why do you have these?
It's National Bandana Day.
Why are you so weird?
Sure, we'll take it away, okay, Connor?
The next exit is downstairs.
Wait. Guys, I'll come, just wait.
Hello?
Hey there, pal. Do you know what's been going on here lately?
Hi.
Guys, you there?
Did he push us down?
I think so.
Before we start moving, I think I know how to kill it.
Okay, great, then say it.
So if people look at it, they die, right?
Yeah, why does that matter?